All right, guys, here we are, May 10th, 2024. We're in Berlin, Maryland. So it's the America's coolest small town. It's the outskirts of Ocean City. So there you are. It's a little welcoming center. So we're gonna walk on down here real quick. Walk out in front of this vehicle. Try to get killed. They have a little shop over here. There's a bunch of stuff in there. They have like Halloween stuff in there already and Christmas stuff. It's not a really big town. If you're an antique person, you're over the age of 60 and you're a woman, you want to come down here, you can. But it is a cool little town. They have all kinds of, there's a actual hotel here. It's 1868, I believe the town was founded in. There's the Sisters Wine Bar down here. We went to there. You can tell there's all kinds of clothes and stuff here. A lot of dog themed stuff, a lot of pictures. Tell. That's our rental car right there. Sue Ellen was going to look at a purse. She might go back down there and buy it. I have no idea. It was like $80. But, saltwater taffy. We got some taffy today. But parking, there's a hotel right over here. There's a museum over here. It was $11 to get in. So, hotel over here. Knickknacks are in here. We walked in here. That was kind of cool place. You can see all kinds of fun stuff. There was the Mermaid Museum behind me. All kinds of knickknacks. Yeah, 2024. It was fun. An easy ride from Ocean City. So, the hotel's over there. There's a grill right there. But for the female persuasion, if it's a girl's vacation, you know, come on over. I think the carpetbagger, when I was researching on YouTube, he did a video out here. He went to an amusement park out here, so he was out in this area a year ago. So he was out here. I was just researching on YouTube, and his video popped up. So he's always, you know, him traveling around. But $11 to get in the museum, it's like, holy moly. But it's a cool town. Kind of, Sedona is my favorite small town. How's it going? Okay. She's doing her walking around. All right. Dentist. Kind of cool. What do you got? Okay, we're in that shop over there. Full of stuff. Religious one, you can right over here. The cafe, help wanted. Looking for hardworking people, good luck with all that. No outside food or drink. Don't be awkward. Vincent Hall, 2005, I guess. But the sisters, she was gonna buy a purse here for $80. She'd buy it, but she didn't buy it. But wine bar is kind of cool. Live music on Friday and Saturdays, bar open. So you can see a lot of dog stuff in here. Roll of toys. It was. I didn't go in there, but I mean, it's got everything you can possibly imagine. Kind of reminds me of back in Hopkins, Minnesota, called Kitty Wampus. That's a big store downtown Hopkins, but Hopkins is a nice Maine, but you can tell there's all kinds of toys. Stay puffy. The ice cream, I guess they were voted. This little place right over here, if you can kind of tell. Seasonal flavors. Island Creamery, homemade ice cream. Pineapple. Ooh. But it's not that far from Ocean City. There's some of those old records they have too as well. Records in some of the stores. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Well worth a drive. Come down and eat some ice cream. Walking out of the stores. All kinds of knickknacks. For the usually elderly people between 60 and 80 that want to spend money on something they're never going to use. So they got all kinds of stuff in here. Ton of it. Richard, that place was full of cool stuff. So they're full of and you have another clothing place down there. Got the bank, of course. Yeah, we got lucky and got parking when we pulled in there, so we got real lucky on that. So, treasure chest full of all kinds of fun stuff. The jewelry. Cookies. There's another eclectic place full of stuff. And this is like if you're gonna, again, want to buy weird stuff. Rains, reef. No problem. So it's a restaurant. Don't worry, FedEx delivers here too as well. Little hotel right there. The Globe. The Mermaid Museum. They wanted 11 bones to get in that bad boy. I'm like, really? $5 maybe, but Hotel Atlantic, historic rooms, Drummers Cafe, all-day menu, fine dining. All right, cool. $18.95. We'll go back over here. I don't know what's over here, but no, this place is a nice place right here. This thing is cool. So yeah, it's pretty much a nickel tour. Founded in 1868. There's a town hall. Ah, there's a bathroom right over there. Perfect. So I was looking for one of those. Well, it was a quiet town until now, but anyways, you got you got Malin Pies. I don't know if you can get in there or not, but you got pies, Malin Pies in here. Social coffee is my morning wine. But anyways, guys, kind of the whole part of the town, Coconut Bay. But anyways, guys, we're right here. Sorry, we're closed. So anyways, guys, cool town, hell yeah.